How did I join Weiwei? This was introduced to me by my fellow sculptor because I'm a sculptor also. Um, and it was so easy. He just sent me this video of the Portier Placenta. And then I asked him, um, what is this? I don't want to open any videos because it might have virus and your account might get hacked. Maganda yan. Panoorin mo. Okay, because we trust our friend who's offering us something. I played the video and I saw it is about stem cells and it was manufactured in New Zealand. So I was amazed, and since we are so educated about stem cells, ano kagad ako, nagkaroon kagad ako ng interest, and I joined them in different events, the grand testimonials, and I visited our office because everyone, I think most of us here are at first very skeptical. Tama? Talagang magtatanong ka na, kasi iinumin to, intake to ng mahal mo sa buhay. Kailangan check mo munang mabuti. So I visited yung office namin sa MOA, our main branch in Philippines. Nakausap ko doon ng mga foreign officials and our top leaders and officials in Weiwei International. And Weiwei is really legal, and during the testimonials, I was able to speak and interview a cerebral palsy girl. Before I forget, I'm a single mother my first patient is my youngest, a Down syndrome girl. Yun po ang first patient ko. And tingnan niyo po kung gaano ako kabilib sa product. If you are the parent, syempre, ikaw muna iinom, di ba? Ikaw muna. Itatry mo muna sa sarili mo bago mo pa-take sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Since the product is really proven, I'm very confident for my special girl to take it. Siya po ang nauna. Siya kagad ang nasa isip kong tulungan na mag-regenerate ang brain cells niya. Because special children have brain deficiency. But, all special children but we cannot promise that the special children will be normal, but there are a lot of developments. Yun po ang nakakatuwa doon, ang naitutulong ng Portier Placenta. I will give you a very quick testimony about my girl. Before, she just swallows intake of food, and then while taking the Portier Placenta, she knows how to chew it already. And then, ang pinakamaganda po yung wild tantrums ng special children. Even Sir Bonnet, masisipa ka and you will fall, pull your hair, bite you without any warning. Now, hindi na po siya nananakit. And I can testify on that because hindi ako makakarating dito to share my journey in Weiwei, to share it with you, because hindi magtatagal yung mga kasambahay, tama, kung nananakit pa rin siya. Tama? Yon. That's why I can go around, because we have a trust. I have a helper who is taking care of her. Now, in Weiwei International, I would like to highlight, I am in the employed before, very skilled. Parang, bakit kaya nag-Weiwei na lang si Miss Doris for 7 years now? Bakit kaya? Talagang pong nag-stop po ako with all my creative works. Nag-stop ako because I have seen the beauty of Weiwei International. The company for 17 years now, worldwide and growing exponentially. The product, the only product, Portier Placenta, 17 years now, and it is 30% na lang po ang unang-unang product na nag-introduce sa market ang Wiway International ng oral stem cells. So parang kung isipin natin, parang saan ka pa, saang product ka pa, saang company ka pa, 17 years na and growing. And we have a lot of, our boss, Mr. Ibunong, started in Asians, we are very lucky. And then meron na tayo sa Europe. And soon, you will be surprised, America. Now here in Wiway, nung una, syempre, Wiway doing the journey is not so easy. Kahit naman saan tayo magpunta ng company, it's not easy. Sabi nga nila, di ba, no pain, no glory. So, hindi talaga madali. But the key in this journey is our perseverance and the right attitude and consistency, and especially doing the right way, the simple steps of Wiway. Yun lang po talaga ang kailangan natin gawin. And this, I would like to highlight also, this is my first MLM, and I would like to share with you and proud, and this is my last company. That's why I have always captioned and proud to say that I am married to Wiway. And a lot here, all the men in black, I think they will also say they are married to Wiway, because there's really like no other company that you're gonna join. Wala na po talaga. Wiway International lang. And kanina nga, sabi ng ating mga sharers, we have traveled a lot because of the company, because the travel in our Wiway journey, we are valued. It's not because na you will join because of the travel, no. Because we value the events we are going to, because we shall learn, absorb, we borrow strength from our top leaders and everything, and especially Mr. Lim Boon Hong is always, usually he is the host and the speaker as well. Kaya maganda po parati yung nagiging message, yung namomotivate ka ng gusto during the events. The events are very important. Just like today, we are very grateful. We are sharing with you some inputs, different stories. Even you yourselves, ladies and gentlemen, have different stories also to tell. And soon, to be a better and best person of ourselves. Now, I am not, this is my first MLM because I am an artist. So, never na naging networker po ako. So, paano ko po na-reach yung 3 stars? Paano? Of course, I followed my leader, my mentors, and the steps na tinuturo ng Wiway International. I am not a salesperson, but now I can really, share with you in front and even a big crowd. You can let me talk and share and all about Wiway. Every time I wake up, it's when I pick my phone, it's all about Wiway already. When I wake up until the wee hours, until dawn. And I am proud also that, tingnan niyo po, hindi po ako networker, but I have start pa lang po, few associates in Europe. Parang, paano po nagawa yun, diba? Siyempre, nandiyan po yung right timing and yung perseverance, consistency mo. Because here, we Wiway advocates are really very aggressive, sharing hope and solutions. Kahit saan ka mapalinga, may pila, gusto mo na kaagad, ang lalabas sa bibig mo, it's about Wiwi and Porchi Placenta. Because you need to share hope and solutions para not only sa health, para rin po sa transforming lives. And I would like to add, I am very active in outreach activities. That's why this is I added this in my advocacy, helping the sick. So, ang Wiwi Philippines also, ang aim po natin, matulungan po yung mga OFWs, maakay po natin sila so they will not be separated with their families anymore. That is our main goal here in Wiwi Philippines. And a lot. So it's not only in health. Umakay po tayo ng mga nangangailangan din. So this is not only for the rich and famous, but kahit sino po pwede. Kanina nga po, di ba si Ma'am Maris, sabi niya, siya ay isang magbobote. Napaka-amazing po nung story, di ba? Lagi po namin sinishare yung story niya.